So after my unboxing and first impressions that you can watch from the link in the description, I found that the SPen can do a lot on the Galaxy Tab S6. So I'm bringing you 6 great features that comes with the SPen. So without further ado, this is number 1. The first feature was hidden in plain sight. As you should know, the SPen on this tablet attaches to the back in this docking spot, but I didn't like it a lot since it is hard to get used to it. Actually, there is another hidden spot for the SPen here on the tablet side. There are magnets here specially placed for the SPen, in which you can easily dock it when working and knowing you're getting back to using it fast. But keep in mind, this spot does not recharge the SPen battery. The second feature is unlocking the Tab S6 with the SPen. So besides of using Face Unlock or the fingerprint scanner, you can use the SPen to unlock the tablet just by clicking the button here. This works even if the tab screen is off. To activate this, go to the settings, advanced features, SPen, unlock with SPen remote and select it. The third trick is taking transparent notes. This feature comes handy if you are reading an article or watching a video and want to take notes at the same time, but without interrupting your experience. And that's by making the Note app transparent on the pop-up screen. You can just open the Note on top of the second app, click this icon on the top, then drag this to change transparency. Then you can take your notes without hiding that video or post. And the fourth trick is writing notes directly on the Calendar app. When you open the Samsung Calendar app in the month view, then click this pen icon, you will be able to add notes to your schedule with different colors and styles. This is not a screenshot, this is really adding notes to the app. When you close and open the app again, you will find your notes there for that specific month. Great for adding quick details to your meetings and schedule, and if you like to cross days in a modern way. If you want to use the SPen to write everything on every app, well, that's possible using the Samsung's keyboard. Whatever the app you're using, when you want to type something, just click this text icon on the keyboard. This big typing area is displayed, so you can type your message or maybe a long script on a document. The tablet will recognize the text and transform it, and the recognition works insanely good with my bad handwriting. You can do plenty of stuff like deleting words by crossing them and writing in the middle and much more. Last but not least is handwriting and converting on the Samsung Notes app. This is a feature found on the Note 10's SPen, now making its way to the Tab S6. After writing a note, you can transform it to a text by clicking this icon. This will first make the note searchable on the app, and second, you will be able to extract and copy that text and even export it to a Microsoft Word document from this menu. The text recognition works also great just like on the keyboard. Well, it should be the same software. So this was the video. Tell me in the comment section which was your favorite feature and what else do you want to see about the Galaxy Tab S6. Thanks for watching and catch you guys in the next one.